Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through the remix. Before you go and write a Solidity programming, it is most important to understand different sections and what how it helps when you create a programming and what is the necessity of it. Okay, so when you are a beginner in blockchain, uh, 99% of time you would end up using remix IDE, right? So this is the remix.ethereum.org IDE, which is basically for programming your Solidity in online, right? You don't need any uh, local software with your laptop or desktop, right? So you can simply open the Chrome and type remix.ethereum.org. It will bring you the IDE. Okay, so it has few sections. Let's go through each and then understand what is the benefit of it. The left side, it has the side menu, which has few icons. Basically, it is to explore the files, and it helps you to compile your programming, and this helps you to deploy the programming, and it helps you to review list of plugin available. Okay, so what do you mean by compiling? What do you mean by executing or deploying? So compiling is nothing but basically when you write a program, you need to make sure the program is error free, it is following the proper syntax and so on, right? So the compilation step will ensure that the program is clean and good to deploy. Whereas the deploy function is nothing but you are done with your programming and you want to show to the world, right? That your program is done and it is working as expected. So that is where the deployment comes into picture. So in the deployment, you will be able to deploy it in the local blockchain or mainnet live blockchain or testnet blockchain. So we will see to that in the upcoming videos. But this video is just to help you all understand different sections. Okay, so this one file explorer basically help you to create workspaces. So what do you mean by workspace? uh, it's nothing but a folder. Okay, think like as a folder in your desktop or laptop. So this folder will have a set of subfolders, and the contract will have all the Solidity programming, and script will have a deployment to the web3 and so on. Basically you can execute it by right click and then run. Okay, we will see to it in the upcoming video. And test will help you to perform the test. So basically any program you write, you have to make sure the testing is done right. You have to execute the unit testing. So that is how the test folder comes into picture. Okay, and when you want to create a new file, just click contract and then done, click this icon. You can name something like this, testing.sol. Okay, and this is all about workspace. And when you want to create a new workspace, you can click this plus icon and it will create a new stuff. You can rename whatever you want. Okay, and it will again under this workspace you can create your own bunch of files. Okay, and you can delete it if required. This is Solidity compiler. So whatever program which you have opened it here, so you have to open it, and then the compiler shows here in this section. If you don't have it open, then compiler will be blank, right? No file selected. So make sure that you have the file open to compile, and then it shows a green tick mark. When you don't see these kind of icons for the very first time, no worries, go to the plugin section, search for compiler. It will show you the Solidity compiler plugin. Just activate it. Similarly for run transactions, deployment transactions. Okay, so it's all about this section. And let's go to home. Okay, home section. So here you can see feature plugins, right? So Sourceify, Solid Hinter. So basically this is to um, enable the security enhancement of your Solidity programming. So this is one of the good plugin available in a remix. And learn heat is nothing but a LMS kind of a repository which will give you all the information like remix basics, etc. You can read it from here itself. Optimism is to run your program in optimized way. So it will also another beautiful features. Solidity, of course, you have what you mean by Solidity compiler, right? So this is a logging screen, logging window. Whatever you perform it here. For example, let's go ahead and compile it for the demo purpose. Okay, I'm compiling it. Now I'm going to deploy it in a local machine, local JavaScript blockchain. I can say John. Okay, so that's okay, it's filed, but still you see, right, whenever we make an action, it gives you the result, whether it is successful or failure. You can see all the logs here, using which you should be able to debug your logging, debug your programming, and move forward. Okay, so this is all about remix. When you want to set up a new programming, Solidity programming, first you just try it out the remix, so that it will be hassle free. You no need any special machine. Just basic configuration should be sufficient here. Okay, so with that, let's catch up in another video in Ethereum. Till that, bye bye, take care.